So the second video looking at the new tools in Bluebeam Max, I'm going to have a look at the duplicate as or convert to tools, and for this I'm going to have a look at this area of road over here. It's a bit busy at the moment, so let's use that wand again and change the road type back. So I'm going to select road type 1, come over here, press Control, using that wand. Let's change that back to a road type 1 and make it a bit easier to see here. So I've already drawn a couple of bits of curb here, but I don't want to show those at the moment. So I don't need those. So I'm going to delete those. And I'm going to look at putting some curves around this area. Now I could select my curve tool over here and start marking up, but maybe there's an easy way to do this, and that's with the convert to or duplicate as tool. If I select this and I right click, you can see I've got them here. Now what I'm going to do for this very quickly, they both work in the same way, but as I want to keep the road in the background here, I'm going to use the duplicate as tool. I'm going to come on here and I'm going to duplicate that as a perimeter. So I've now got a new measurement round here. Hopefully you saw that pop up. This pops up here. I'm going to do that again very quickly. Undo. You can see there's no measurement there at the moment, so click on here. If I'd used the convert to, it would have done that. You can see that measurement pop up, but we don't want to do that. We want to keep the road in the background. So once again, duplicate as, perimeter tool. So now I want to change that quickly into a curb. What I'm going to do is click on my road, right click, hide the actual road and keep that out of the way. And now you can see I've got the curb marked up here, but if I click on that in the tool chest down here, perimeter measurement, it's under the roads, etc. I want to change that to curbs. So I can quickly come in here, select the right tool, press Control, come over here, and that has changed that. But there's a couple of things on here. Perhaps I don't want the curbs coming across these driveways, except these areas here. They might be CS2 curbs or something like that, and I've already got a curb measure through here, which is a speed check curb. So what I'm going to do very quickly is come onto this tool. I'm going to split it on this corner down here. Right click, split, and down here as well, split, split, and delete that one out, don't want that. Same again here, split, split, delete that out. And I've also got the one here as well, so if I press shift I can see which one it is. It's just looks like it's got the right one. Delete that out. There you go. So I have now got my different curves as the correct tool, correct area, I have correct lengths all measured up to the different shapes. This wasn't too bad, but if you get a really curvy shaped road, etc., really does save some time.